Okay, so guys, what's up? I ordered a $25 mystery package mystery Rubik's Cube and it just came. So I'm gonna open it up and do 3 solves with it. The review will come later today. So, yeah, guys. Basically, if you see right here, I got this. Got my weapon of destruction. And, yeah. So, then, hold up. Weapon of destruction. Don't share this YouTube video. I'm gonna get demonetized. Don't share this YouTube video. My channel will get. Don't. Okay. Let's try a different approach. I don't know. Let me look at this. This is my instruction. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's a GAN! Yes! So if you guys don't know, GANs are like some of the best. They're like the best of the best Rubik's Cubes. I'm sure I'm struggling to open this, guys. This must be so boring. Can someone teach me how to open this? Okay, yes, it's the best of the best. $25 mystery puzzle. What is it? Hold up. No. So, nice cube with some plastic wrap and stuff. Really nicely handled. Got a little box to put it in. Oh, no way. It's the GAN 356i. Oh, wow. Yes. It's a really nice cube. GAN 350s. Sides got some extra tension things. Drawstring bag. It's got some instructions. Alright, so let's open up the cube. Doesn't tell me what cube this is. Let's see. Hold on. How do I weapon of destruction, just for a sec. Oh no, did I damage it? Oh gosh. So this is what the cube looks like, and I know this poor quality. Please don't judge. Hold up. It's a GAN 11M Pro. Did I just get the best cube ever? I just got the best cube in the world. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to use any of this stuff. So, I'm going to check the instructions. And that's just telling me how to solve it. I don't know how to... Layer by layer method. How do you... I don't know how to read Chinese. This doesn't actually tell me how to do any of this. Oh no. Okay, so anyways, really nice drawstring bag. It's nice to see how well cube fits in. Oh yes, the cube fits in amazing. And so yeah, which really nice, but don't know how to use this stuff. How do I get this? Oh, there it is. Hold on, what's this? Oh, it's an adjustable. This just, I think it has a cap. Okay. Yeah, so, yeah, I can't cut off the cap. I'm gonna see if my mom can. BRB. What did I do? Oh no! So I kind of sort of scrambled it up. I goofed up. Oh no. So, yeah. So, really nice cube. I might actually want to, hold on. See this. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I totally goofed up. I messed up an F2L case. But so next up comes some casual Rubik's Connected solving.